Two men accused of beating a man to death on New Year's Eve are heading to trial, and they're facing even more serious charges than before. Lindsay Veramis on why prosecutors are pushing for murder instead of involuntary manslaughter charges in the death of Travis Peterson.
Vicious, brutal, violent. That's how prosecutors describe the New Year's Day fight that killed 30-year-old Travis Peterson.
We have 5 men chasing an unarmed person down the street who was acting in a defensive manner.
The prosecution claims those men, including defendants Austin Smith and Donald Suttle, attacked Peterson like a pack of wolves, kicking and punching him repeatedly, with Suttle wielding a baton.
That characterization of it being a pack of wolves came from the eyewitness in this case who saw it, and that's the word he said to police immediately upon being interviewed early the next morning.
Prosecutors believe that testimony proves this was more than a bar fight, but a deliberate, intentional act. They asked the judge to increase the charges against Smith and Suttle from involuntary manslaughter to second-degree murder.
That could have happened as a result of somebody who's intoxicated.
The defense had a different version of events. Attorneys for Smith and Suttle say the cause of Peterson's death is unclear. They point to his BAC of .24 and say he could have fallen.
That's what he said.
The judge sided with the prosecution.
This isn't unexpected, unfortunately, but I do think that the facts of the case as they continue to come out continue to get better and better with regard to certainly my client.
Peterson's family, meanwhile, is confident a conviction will come.
Family's having a hard time, and of course, and it was a very tragic loss for them. I think they're very pleased with what happened here today, the judge's decision.
In Lansing, Lindsay Veramis, Fox 47 News.
Smith and Suttle face up to life in prison if convicted. They'll be back in court later this month.